YouTube channel refresh. Get prepped for YouTube channel growth in 2026. You know, sometimes your YouTube channel just needs a refresh. With more than 2.7 billion people watching every month, it's easy for your content to get buried if your visuals, layout, or content strategy feel outdated. Refreshing your channel isn't just about keeping up appearances. It can also be an effective way to spark YouTube channel growth. A few simple updates to your branding, playlists, and content can reignite engagement and help your videos stand out in search and recommendations. In this guide, we'll explore how to give your channel a fresh start, strengthen your identity, and set yourself up for steady YouTube channel growth in 2026 and beyond. If you're trying to reach your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or rack up those all-important 4,000 hours of YouTube watch time, listen up. Get an unfair advantage on YouTube. Give your YouTube channel the upper hand and easily optimize for more views, more subs, and more of every metric that matters. Get started. Why a channel refresh drives YouTube channel growth. A refresh signals to both your audience and the YouTube algorithm that your channel is active and improving. Here's how it directly impacts growth. Improve your presence in search and recommendations. Updating your channel layout, description, and playlists tells YouTube your channel is relevant. The platform favors active creators, giving them more visibility in search and suggested feeds. That means your refreshed channel has a better chance to reach new viewers and expand YouTube channel growth organically. Strengthen your connection with subscribers. Subscribers can lose interest if a channel looks or feels stale. Part of building a loyal audience and YouTube community is about keeping it fresh and giving them a reason to keep coming back. By reorganizing playlists, refining your About section, or updating your banner, you remind subscribers you're evolving. This renewed energy builds loyalty, keeps them coming back, and sustains channel growth over time. Attract new viewers and expand your reach. First impressions matter. A modern, cohesive look builds trust and makes first-time visitors more likely to subscribe. A professional presentation signals quality, which increases watch time and strengthens your foundation for YouTube channel growth. Increase watch time and session duration. A refreshed layout and smart playlists encourage viewers to keep watching. When your videos flow naturally from one to another, it increases session time, an important ranking signal that fuels YouTube channel growth through improved visibility. Refreshing your YouTube channel is a great way to go beyond YouTube SEO to grow your channel. How to update your branding and content for YouTube channel growth. Once you know why a refresh matters, it's time to act. Here are steps to update your visuals and strategy for stronger long-term results. Understand what your audience watches. Your audience data already shows what works. Look for videos with the highest engagement. Those are clues about what keeps viewers watching. Double down on successful formats to build momentum and reinforce YouTube channel growth through proven performance. Spot rising topics before they peak. Creators who move early on emerging trends often see faster results. Use TubeBuddy's keyword and trend insights to find growing topics in your niche. Publishing before the trend peaks helps your channel capture attention while competition is low, a key advantage for YouTube channel growth. Adapt without losing your channel's identity. Experimenting with trends is good, but consistency is better. Keep your visual style, tone, and content themes recognizable even as you evolve. For example, if you run a cooking channel, join viral food trends, but present them in your usual voice. Staying authentic ensures you grow without losing loyal viewers. Maintain consistency in content quality and uploads. Every upload contributes to your brand perception. Set a predictable publishing schedule and maintain production quality so viewers know what to expect. This reliability builds trust and helps algorithms recognize your consistency, a major driver of sustainable YouTube channel growth. Build a habit of checking audience data. Your analytics are your roadmap. Watch metrics like click-through rate, audience retention, and traffic sources to see what works. TubeBuddy surfaces these insights clearly, helping you make data-driven decisions that continuously support YouTube channel growth. The importance of staying current with audience trends. YouTube moves quickly, and audience interests shift constantly. Channels that adapt early stay visible longer. When you monitor new topics and adjust your strategy in real time, you show both your viewers and the algorithm that your content is fresh and relevant, two key signals for accelerating YouTube channel growth. By pairing timely content with consistent branding and clear value, you create a channel that feels current and credible year-round. Frequently asked questions about YouTube channel growth. How often should I refresh my YouTube channel? Plan a light refresh every 6 months, updating your banner, playlists, and descriptions, and a deeper audit once a year to keep your channel aligned with your goals. What updates have the biggest impact on YouTube channel growth? Refreshing thumbnails, optimizing your About section, improving playlists, and maintaining consistent uploads typically produce the biggest results. Can TubeBuddy really help with YouTube channel growth? Yes. TubeBuddy makes optimization easier by tracking keywords, surfacing trends, and showing which videos drive engagement, so you can focus on strategies that work. Conclusion: preparing your channel for lasting YouTube growth. Refreshing your channel, keeping your branding consistent, and staying in tune with audience trends all build a foundation for steady YouTube channel growth. A channel that looks modern, delivers value, and adapts quickly is far more likely to stand out in 2026 and beyond. TubeBuddy can help you manage these updates effortlessly, guiding your keyword research, analytics, and content planning. Start your refresh today and position your channel for stronger, more consistent growth in the year ahead. Get an unfair advantage on YouTube. Give your YouTube channel the upper hand and easily optimize for more views, more subs, and more of every metric that matters. Get started.